In this video, we are going to be analysing MEGL. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start pushing to the upside? And as of right now, on the longer term time frame, being the 6 month on the left and the 1 year on the right, we can see our closest resistances are $18.50 and $23. Obviously very far from where we are now, would require over a 200% move. So really, what can we be looking at as closest support levels? And we will go over those in a second by using a shorter term time frame. But just in case this stock for any reason does go parabolic, then we do have other levels at $44, $56, and then final levels taking us to $70, $90, and $125. Now, to get into more reasonable resistance levels, we can cut down to a shorter term time frame. For example, the 20-day is usually quite a good one to be using if you're looking for levels just throughout this week. And really, we'd be looking at the $6.45, the $10, the $13.75, and the $17.25. Obviously, again, apart from really the $6.50, they are quite very far off from where we are now. So again, they would still require quite a big move, but these are at least closer levels. But if you're watching this video after this week is finished, currently today, September 14th, then really only pay attention to the levels we did on the longer term time frame, so from the $18.50 and above. Now, onto the support side of things. If we continue to sell off on MEGL, what are going to be key support levels? And we have one support level on the shorter term time frame at $2.90. But going back onto a longer term time frame, do we have any levels? And quite surprisingly, actually, we have no statistical levels on the longer term time frame. And the reason for that is, you can see since this stock has IPO'd, I mean, it went crazy. It went IPO'd around $48, pushed all the way to $2.50, and now we're sitting at around $5. Seeing a stock like this, it makes the deviations very wide, making it hard to get to targets, but has also made the lower deviations into a negative, and obviously we can't trade the negative. So really, if you were looking for support levels going lower, we'd stated the one from the 20-day chart, which is around $2.90, and then we would just be paying attention to the key psychological levels, so $5, $4, $3, $2, and $1. Now, one thing I do want to know on this stock is I don't personally have a bias on it, because I don't hold any shares or any value or any money in this stock. So it doesn't affect me whether this stock goes up or down. These are just so the levels I would be paying attention to if I was trading it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.